Lots of action words with this week. Let's recap them. In weekly recap, we have Gətirmək, to bring, to fetch, to deliver. Yorulmaq, to get tired, to become fatigued and weary. ƏTİM TÖKÜLDÜ, to cringe, to feel the sensation of disgust or embarrassment. Oturmaq, to sit or to fit. DAVAM ETMÄK, continue, go on. Keep up with me. All right, we have Oynamaq, to play, to dance, and to act. And BİLMÄK, to know how to be aware of. Ready? Yes. Dad jokes. My fitness plan is Yorulmaq half the way to the fridge. Do you have the ƏTİM TÖKÜLDÜ moment every time I try to incorporate word of the day into a dad joke style example of mine? Let me know in the comments. Is that paxalava we got yesterday? Getir, getir over here. After a heroic day of standing all day, my grand plan is Oturmaq. Ready? Quiz time. Which word also means to fit? Drop in the comments below. And make sure to come back tomorrow because we're going to start new week with new topics, hence the new words. Make sure to come back because consistency is fluency. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, I have masterazerbaijani.com where I post every 10 days on how to make learning of Azerbaijani much easier with some tips and tricks I believe you will find valuable. So make sure to check those and come back tomorrow for a new set of words. Cheers.